Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Caffeine BS for January 7th in the year of perfect vision. I've been watching the news and I see Australia's on fire. Literally, everywhere in Australia something's burning. Yeah, it's beyond all the people that have died, all the animals that are being burnt alive and dying. There's people down there that I watch their videos. I enjoy watching their videos. I'm beginning to form an attachment to these people, calling them friends. I fear that one of them is going to post a video. Well, I got away from the fire, but I got bad news. Name someone else who didn't get away. God forbid. But the fear is there. Anyway, it's freezing here. No precipitation, so the frost. If we could get snow, it'd be great. Oh, shit. And, of course, it's looking like there's going to be a nuclear war because of the tensions in the Middle East. Happy January in the year of perfect vision to you all.